Last month, I had the opportunity to visit West Africa, where I met healthcare professionals, including urologists and sexologists. To my surprise, some of these individuals had no formal medical degrees, which was both unexpected and unsettling at first. However, their knowledge and expertise in men's sexual health were impressive and left me amazed. So in this video, I'm going to share a hidden African remedy often called a homemade Viagra. This natural solution not only boosts blood flow to your penis, but also benefits your heart health. Stick with me until the end, and you'll learn how to potentially reverse erectile dysfunction within weeks. Okay, so first thing is Yohimbe. Yohimbe is a herbal supplement derived from the bark of the Yohimbe tree, native to Central and West Africa. Traditionally, it's been used for improving male sexual health, but now it's making waves globally as a potent remedy for erectile dysfunction. But how does it work? Well, actually, the magic of Yohimbe lies in a compound called yohimbine. Yohimbine helps by increasing blood flow to the penis, relaxing blood vessels, and even boosting nerve impulses, which are critical for stronger and longer-lasting erections. It's like nature's little helper for men. Now, here's the science. Several studies have shown that Yohimbe can be effective for men dealing with mild to moderate erectile dysfunction. It works particularly well when poor blood flow is the root cause. However, like any remedy, Yohimbe has its limits and needs to be used responsibly, and it's important to stay within a safe range. 'Cause if you exceed the dosage, it has side effects. Now please allow me to explain all the ingredients one by one, then I will disclose this amazing recipe. So, second thing is cinnamon. While the locals of Africa may not fully understand its scientific properties, they know it works wonders for sexual health. Let me explain why. Cinnamon, derived from the bark of cinnamomum trees, contains compounds like cinnamaldehyde that stimulate the production of nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is essential for relaxing and dilating blood vessels, improving blood flow throughout the body, including to the genital area, an essential factor for achieving and maintaining erections. Moreover, chronic inflammation can restrict blood flow and contribute to erectile dysfunction. Cinnamon's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce inflammation, supporting cardiovascular health and potentially improving erectile function. And it's also packed with antioxidants, such as polyphenols, which combat oxidative stress. By neutralizing free radicals and protecting blood vessels, cinnamon promotes healthy circulation. Interestingly, research suggests that cinnamon might even positively influence hormone levels, including testosterone. This adds another layer to its benefits for men's sexual health. Okay, so next amazing thing that can keep you sexually strong well, even into your 50s and 60s. This could be why some African men in their 60s still maintain incredible vitality. That secret? Dates. These sweet, nutrient-packed fruits from the date palm tree are a powerhouse for sexual health. Dates are loaded with essential vitamins and minerals like vitamins A, B6, and K, along with iron, magnesium, potassium, and zinc. Zinc, in particular, is critical for testosterone production, an essential hormone for libido, sexual performance, and reproductive health. And dates also contain boron, a trace mineral that supports hormone regulation, including testosterone metabolism. They're rich in amino acids, like arginine, which improves blood flow, key for achieving and maintaining erections. The high potassium content in dates helps regulate blood pressure and supports heart health, both of which are vital for proper blood flow to the genital area. Additionally, dates are packed with antioxidants like flavonoids, carotenoids, and phenolic acid, which protect sperm from oxidative stress, improving sperm quality and motility, essential for male fertility. Next up is pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitus. These nutrient-dense seeds are a goldmine for men's sexual health, especially for supporting erections. Pumpkin seeds contain compounds that boost nitric oxide production, a molecule crucial for relaxing blood vessels and improving blood flow. They are rich in healthy fats like omega-3 and omega-6, which reduce inflammation and enhance cardiovascular health, directly benefiting erectile function. And, yeah, their magnesium content is another bonus. It promotes muscle relaxation, including the smooth muscles in the blood vessels of the penis, which is necessary for proper dilation and strong erections. Pumpkin seeds also contain tryptophan, an amino acid that helps produce serotonin, a mood-boosting neurotransmitter. Lower stress levels and improved mood can significantly enhance sexual desire and performance. All right. Lastly, we have Maca root. This Peruvian plant, part of the cruciferous family, has been used for centuries to enhance sexual health. Known for its aphrodisiac properties, Maca root has been shown in studies to increase sexual desire, improve libido, and support stronger erections. While direct evidence on maca's impact on erectile function is limited, its ability to reduce anxiety and enhance libido indirectly supports better performance and satisfaction in the bedroom. Okay. So, now that you know these ingredients, the next step is learning how to incorporate them into your daily routine. So, all you have to do is take about 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Add 5 milligrams of Yohimbe powder. Add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, then add 3 or 5 seedless dates. Please note, quantity of dates should not be even. It should be an odd number. Either it's 3, 5, or 7. It cannot be 2, 4, or 6. You got the point, right? Well, I don't know the reason behind it, but that's what they said. If you're from Africa and you know the reason, please let me know in the comments section as well. And yes, if you're diabetic, you can just limit to only 1 seedless date. And lastly, 1 or half tablespoon of honey. Combine all ingredients into a blender. Blend on high for 30 to 60 seconds, or until the texture is smooth and creamy. Now please note, consume this smoothie in the morning or early afternoon, as Yohimbe may cause mild stimulation and is best avoided close to bedtime. Remember, consistency is key, so make this a part of your daily routine. I always recommend my patients to engage themselves in physical activities like jogging, swimming, etc. While this smoothie can help, it's important to adopt a holistic approach for best results. What you need to do is exercise regularly. Physical activity improves blood flow, reduces stress. Do nasal breathing while doing workout. It helps in producing dopamine, lowers cortisol, which is a stress hormone, and produces nitric oxide as well, which will act like a catalyst and will help in reversing erectile dysfunction faster than you expect. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Until next time, stay healthy and stay happy.